In this video, we'll show you how to change the wiper blades on your Ford F-150. This is located in the front of the vehicle and on top of the windshield. Let's get started. First thing, we can go ahead and remove our sheath. On top of the wiper blade, we have a small door. Go ahead and pop that off. Slide the wiper blade down towards the vehicle. We can remove the wiper blade. Be very careful. You want to put the wiper arm down on the windshield so you don't break it. To install our new blade, we'll simply slide it back on in the reverse of how we took the other one off. You want to make sure that's fully seated, not going to pull off. You can be careful putting that down on the windshield. And it's the same process for the other side. And you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.